Vanakkam. Hi, friends. Today we are going to continue learning Tamil through English. This is our third video. Please do watch our first two videos before watching this video. So let me share my screen and we'll start our today's lesson. So today we are going to learn possessive pronoun in Tamil. Generally, in any language, while you speak, sometimes or most of the times, you use a subject first. For example, my car, my pen, my house, like that. In Tamil, we'll say என்னோட காரு, என்னோட வீடு, என்னோட பேனா, which we learned previously in our last class. But sometimes, while we speak, suddenly we say the object first and then we have to complete the sentence. At that time we have to use possessive pronoun. For example, the car is mine, the house is yours, the pen is yours, like that. So in Tamil we'll say இந்த வீடு என்னோடது, இந்த பேனா உன்னோடது, like that. So let's start. Mine, என்னோடது. Yours, உன்னோடது. Formally, உங்களோடது. His, அவனோடது. Formally, அவரோடது. Hers, அவளோடது. Formally, அவங்களோடது. It's, அதோடது. Ours, எங்களோடது. Among ourselves, நம்மளோடது. Theirs, அவங்களோடது. Here, எங்களோடது and நம்மளோடது, it's same like how we are having two kinds of we and two kind of our. Okay, so let's read this one more time. Mine, என்னோடது. Yours, உன்னோடது. Formally, உங்களோடது. His, அவனோடது. Formally, அவரோடது. Hers, அவளோடது. Formally, அவங்களோடது. It's, அதோடது. When you say அதோடது, the ithu sound, when you say ithu sound, your tongue should be straight. When you say the, you have to twist your tongue. Again, when you say th, your tongue should be straight. அதோடது, அதோடது. Ours, எங்களோடது. Among ourselves, நம்மளோடது. So let's see some example sentences. This book is mine. இந்த புத்தகம் என்னோடது. இந்த புத்தகம் என்னோடது. That pen is yours. அந்த பேனா உன்னோடது. அந்த பேனா உன்னோடது. That shirt is yours. Formally, அந்த சட்டை உங்களோடது. Sorry. So here previously already we learnt உன்னோடது informally. So here it's உங்களோடது. So அந்த சட்டை உங்களோடது formally. The bike is his. Bike அவனோடது informally. Bike அவனோடது. The glass is his. இந்த கண்ணாடி அவரோடது formally. இந்த கண்ணாடி அவரோடது. This bag is hers. இந்த பை அவளோடது. இந்த பை அவளோடது. Food is its. சாப்பாடு அதோடது. சாப்பாடு அதோடது. Generally, in English, you don't say food is its, this glass is his, like that you don't say generally. But in Tamil, we will use this format frequently. In the pai avanodadu, in the pena adodadu, like that. So let's continue. That house is ours. அந்த வீடு எங்களோடது. This child is ours. இந்த குழந்தை நம்மளோடது. இந்த குழந்தை நம்மளோடது. The car's theirs. Car அவங்களோடது. Car அவங்களோடது. Again, generally we don't say like this, the car's theirs, like this in English, but in Tamil we say like this, car அவங்களோடது நம்மளோடது, like that. Here you can see, for book in Tamil we'll say புத்தகம், புத்தகம், but in spoken Tamil people will not give that m sound properly, so that's why it's புத்தகம். Likewise, here for child in Tamil we'll say குழந்தை. Okay, but sorry, so here for child in Tamil we'll say kulandai, but in spoken Tamil people will skip this I sound, so that's why it's kulanda. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any doubts, please comment. Also, if you like this video, please do subscribe. See you in next lesson. Bye.